Here you got another eBay package. I'm gonna unbox it right now. I'm gonna start ordering stuff again because I got my computer already. Love it so much. Playing Minecraft on it. Ray tracing on. Hopefully everything came in good condition. Why do I see particles? Glass. Swear to God, I'm gonna ask for a refund. This is fucking broken. Like the average seller can like even like package things right. I've never had a seller like complain about my package to like deliver. Well, I see glass everywhere. Yeah, the handle's obliterated. But the bulb is okay. It's a big bulb though. I'm gonna pause for now and then resume. Fucking retarded cunt liquor deserves to fucking die. Look at that. The ballast is fucking like destroyed too. I'm so very disappointed. If this seller would like refuse to refund me, and if I was like in person, I would really call the cops on them and charge them stuff. They deserve to fucking die. Look at that. It's destroyed. I had to like rebuild it and stuff. It's not good at all. Still cleaning this up. After like 20 minutes, I got a full refund. That's good. I don't know if I'm gonna like buy like lights that much from eBay anymore. I might buy it more, but it's just one light you see broken. Most of my other lights like never like came with that. It's just this. Hopefully the bells will work. I will try to get it to work and stuff. If not, I can just buy a new one for cheap. They're not that expensive. But the light itself is very expensive because it's very heavy and stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna pause now. I will realize the wires are fine on the ballast. It's just those plastic pieces that are broken. I don't think that really matters, and I just super glue it back in place. I don't even have to like do anything to that. The ballast is now like mounted correctly. It's not gonna fall out or anything. Got the hooks inserted into the holes and stuff. Looks good. All screws are in. What the seller said, like when the screws were loose at first, got that all in. If it works, then I'm surprised. I'm glad I got a full refund though. It was a waste of my time and life. I shouldn't say like you should die and stuff, but I'm just joking. I'm not like being serious at all. I just say it as a joke. But I would never say it in front of like an actual person. That would be harassment and not good. Some people make jokes and that's fun. That's fine. Get everybody does it, but the light looks at least okay. I can just probably like replace the cover or something like that. Order a glass cover. I think you can still buy stuff like that. But everything else looks okay. I'm gonna like put it back together and stuff. The capacitors and stuff good. The ballast looks good, okay. It's just a bit broke, like damaged, but I don't think that would be like I wouldn't think that would affect the ballast at all. I'm gonna plug it in anyways to see if it will run and stuff. By the way, this is a really well made fixture. Hubbell was a very reputable company. I wish they still made like high pressure sodium lights and stuff. They're very cool. I like how heavy it is. I can move it around. That's still at least. It's just very, very heavy. It's 30 pounds. It's hard to move with like one hand and stuff. That's why I like pause and stuff. I'm pretty impressed how big this light is. Look at that compared to my hand. So I got the light all put back together. All the screws are in. Doesn't look as pretty as before. I wish it come in good condition. I really like these lights. Better than the stupid LED shit you see these days that they're replacing with. So it's a very nice bulb. It's a Sylvania Lumen Lux LU 400 watt HPS bulb. I'm gonna plug it in now. Okay, gotta plug it to the wall. Hopefully it doesn't trip. Let's turn on 1, 2, 3. Wow, it works. Just humming a bit. Let you know if everything's okay. Yep, that's just the ballast buzzing. That's normal for these fixtures. I made a video of a loud mercury vapor light. That's what you see. It's very nice. It works. I'm glad. So we're at full brightness. It gets pretty hot. Feel the heat. Like my 500 watt light. I don't think it's that hot though. Light check. Yeah, close to 600. It's at least not as hot as the cover on this fucking light. That thing's burning hot. But this thing's rather efficient, but still really hot though. And blinding. So yeah, high pressure sodium lights are a direct replacement of incandescent, despite their poor CRI. It's hovering around like 500 degrees. 572 at the most. It's showing 300, 600 now. But it shouldn't get any hotter than 752 degrees Fahrenheit though. That would not be good for these bulbs. Yep, set 600 for nice though. It's a big bulb though. Not big, but thin. Feel the heat, but it produces a lot of light. Yeah, I'm just following this video a bit, but I'm gonna make another video on this when it's dark out and have it on for at least 20 minutes. It's getting really hot. Yeah, don't touch the bulb when it's on because it gets really, really, really hot. But yeah, that's nice. I turned it off now. But to cool down, it works well. It gets pretty hot. Thanks for watching.